everyone, welcome back to my channel. So yes, बहुत सारी queries आती हैं कि craft stencil, how to use it in different ways. So I know I have already done a lot of videos जहाँ हमने modeling paste, chalk paints use किया है. Now this is all about using your ink pads, whether it is dye based ink pads or your carvel ink pad, any ink pad you guys can use that. Now with your stencils you can even make your quick cards. So this is one of the ways of using your stencils. अगर आपको चाहिए इन द सेम वे यू कैन यूज़ योर मॉडलिंग पेस्ट, you can use your chalk paints, you can use your acrylic paints and you can create beautiful cards. So yes, stencils सिर्फ decoupage या mixed media नहीं, you can even use it for your card making. So यहाँ पे मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ मेरे distress ink pads. If you want, you can use your any favorite shades and you can literally create any of your beautiful backgrounds. So this is one of the easiest and the quickest way of using your stencils and making a card. So yes, this is one of the best ways of using your stencil. Now do not hesitate to buy your stencils and I'm sure you guys are going to love it. So I really hope you guys like this quick idea. So just add your sentiment and your card is done. So this video was not about the card making. This video was about how in different ways you can use your stencils. Now shop your favorite craft supply from Growing Craft store. Thank you. Take care and bye-bye.